kan kasebom ene de ba bedamu kasebo ebetie be Sompa radio so 90.7 Sompa 93.1 Sompa 98.9 and 73 ya didi kasebo no animu ni woso afo ahwa worokocha so de aba betu dwa se de osuo no ne to akosi akoye bibie wo afie no ahwe ya betu akofo haw pa edi aba sasem kroya fotro sanso afonso edi bi aka ho Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Kwabraji Maibaumia ene ekasai say one manifesto awodo free 2016 ebepem 2020 no obetu ndi ni sese ne bo se emu ha mu nchemu be se do watch de waye Ora Johnson yesi edun katia edwemtrani di ma ene di si amanyoko wo bonto wa puye mantemu wono so de asembi ababetu edwa yema enso a wo tworo nsore o Laboni Senior High School ya pam wo ma examination hall boni ben sada na chema wuntumi enso ede ensembi enso ede aba abetu dwa ebika ho no pe ya ede bremo se Sompa anopa no si abremu kasebo anope o kenkan fo yeme hinini ama kranchado zo usofu mami preme ni yanye bre na fe kasebo ni cheche mu ankasa yamfa emamon Ora Brian e champon ena rokocha suye esono odi asembia ba betu edwa wo kirem se de afie ensuo tono aye bibia wo ho no awrokocha sika e betumi ahwere wo no wo pepemiensa ekiriponum Ghana sika fofure wa frese ntwofo nhyiamu no de asem di ato wo no anim se wo se de mentifi ensuo no ntumi antonye honko ene amantam bi ti se bono mantamu bono apoye oti wo mentifi eye north east savannah upper east ene apa west ya osuo ni tono amwa kora ose free August bosome ni da na etoso aduonu no cheso keka ne ma de bubomu a na akuafo a won mu aka dwamu ye empem nan ahamiensa aduonu ha nwoche aduoso mienu ene won mu aka dwamu won ma won mu dua eburo emo enkate atokọ ene awuo ene ni nuanu mekeka ho ene bayere no ebema wo ha wo de aba aduani die ya ye die se ye de ba amantam etubetumi ate ohamunchemu be se edusia emienu ora Brian e champon nasemni.
Now the effects of the dry spell. Preliminary reports indicate that about 928,523 farmers cropping 1.8,557,000 hectares are at risk. And I'm talking about those at risk. These farmers will lose an estimated investment of 7.4 billion cedis if there is total crop failure. The 928,523 farmers cropping 1.8,507,000 hectares, those at risk, they will lose an estimated investment of 7.4 billion if there is total crop failure. The corresponding revenue loss is estimated at 22.2 billion.
On manyan for Brian e champon and yet in canon. Now for Trosanso for Dr. Amin Adam and so the Atoso which him say no do said the insurance to me Anthony Titini Mentifi Busumi Numia and soon Antono. I bet you for how Parker said the Aba and soon be about the Sikasimi or friends and Trevor and Rano the Assembly and so edit to one more enim was the home saying soon Francia to the and so as he good at twitching insuno a brand new here. No, yes, Abreno Netono, or this Abren Cacobo Remo Tamare Jomua, Cabrofufro, Abba, or see a nay a brofufrano Bacocrano, Dada no Acobasa, so anane buono, a cacoye a chaminabo.
Along district, and I felt so sad about what the farmers expressed in their frustration, in their worry about where to get food to live on. Investments have been lost, and even with the rains that we are experiencing now, the rains may not be enough to support the maturity of crops. Usually in the northern part of Ghana, by this time, new maize is on the market.
Dr. Amin Adam wono na yefotro sanso for Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Baumia wono no kura Frankadema NPP osukokroko amanyuko ena wode ensem bia ba betudwa se manifesto ayegina so hwemu na yede bonto amani so ade hu amepese me de banie no so the NPP ni NDC de atoto hu free 2016 dia obetu ndi nsese ne bu prentwan se NPP watumi akonkoden ama bosha wodo a wo hye wo mdie mu no amunche mu be se de wo twe de watumi de aba was say 2012 NDC manifesto no amunche mu aduo no watwepe ena womo atumi aye ye no nti edi adanse pefe se fade waye ebra na fade maye nso bra de ye de emienu begina hode a na chesenka ya de NPP for watumi akonkoden ama one manifesto promises awodo no a wode by 2016 and 2020 no watumi aye ni nyina Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Kwabrajemai na no dissemini.
Then there was a question that went on the lack of timelines for the manifesto in terms of promises and so on. I think that when you are going for an election, you are going for an election for a 4-year term initially, isn't it? Yeah, so your promises have to be in line with that term of office. Right, that this is what I want you to elect me to do these things, right? But I think that we have a pretty good record in terms of honoring our promises. We've done some work to look at our 2016 manifesto, what proportion of those promises we've honored, and it has been 83%.
Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Baumia enso edie enono Ora Johnson yesiedu enkatia wono na edwam trani di match ne ye edwobodo amanyuko no wonamwepo ye mantemu ya wo bonto aton na amanyuko se Ghana fo begina so ato aba edi amano na no ne akuapem south na semina date awa semrashe beja konwa ewo ho no NDC besange gia omo beje nyina ne se wo so hwa enya de a NPP ba ye watumi aye bibidi ama wonom wo kwa nyina danso enye enu nti omo candidate Lawrence Adwoa Njowonu wo mo nto aba no emfa emanom Owura Johnson se edu nkatia de asem edi tudwa o se wo mo nyire wo mo pa so mpesa brabon mu sesa na mpuntu ofra na mso de a NDC nko a na betumi abaye sa adwumadie no edi ama wo
aba ekoto no wo ho MPP forecast woman say yai ana say no for pay and so woman di sika beto ana tia say obiaba no betua sika e di amount say je na kwato abama me je 5 cedis je 10 cedis e kwato abama woje no woje say me je 10 cedis way na mato me ho di ahyanko asumo amfie nan a eda ya ni mu say nya sa etia dia wode media da bia dia meka ne say sika no dia say na wo ma wiawia agugu wo ma dan mu no efisa wode kwa bank a eto bete asa wode kwa brochira ya bache wo order
eni ya wo kwa brochira ya bache wo border so o say eni ya wode pray you wode ship o uduru border so a Yewura Johnson se edu nkatia se kedo mpena no disem enso enno ye toa so a ne Laboni Senior High School ye mane ye nananom a wonum etworo wase nsowe ababe to dwasen koda be senso ene apamom de ma free examination wo so ma ye letie me no so akofa sempa enso ede aba Reverend John Intim Fodwo ya wono eye osoafa be de kira oginam wo nmasua aso ye wo de trin kwansam de ame ye mai so omanyere wo mo ntworo wo nsowe no mu ntwa ye ma Mary Jays Ekuya Akolo wono ena Laboni Senior High School no oye headmistress eno de betu dwa se ane awofo omni wo mo manka sana eye ehihye ya de agu akwamu efa enso hwetwero ho no wo mu ni nyina so pepepe nkra de traffic you ene ma we ambe pam nkra ni nyina o ba bia bi mu tete a twa so hwe no wo be pam wo mu nyina wai yentie.
He told them they should be here at least 30 minutes before the start of the paper. They should be seated 30 minutes before the start of the paper. And the students came over an hour before the start of the, and the reasons they came with were not tangible. It is not the desire of any head of school or any teacher to see a student not to go through education in 3 years and not to write an exam. We don't want it like that. It is our desire that all students will write the exam and do well. But this is the case when they came almost 2 hours to the start of the paper. We wouldn't want to fall out of the rules governing the examination. So we had to get them to stand out. This is not our wish for them. So they've been advised to go and prepare and come to write the afternoon paper, which is the objectives. Well, as to that, not in Laboni, not as I know in Laboni, that could happen elsewhere. If you stay out of an exam,
Way mami a ono na Laboni Senior High School no wadano ne ka twene bro na nka mabunu be se dunum so mo Osu Presbyterian Senior High School wo so ye pamom de wo ma free school dem ni nyina ye late na sikro yada ya ye so ma ye late na head of WASI National Office Dr. Rosemond Wilson eno de abetu dwa wo chire mu se ene nka wie be nkoda ni nu school dem ana ba bia wo tworo nsore no simeduasa wo mo transe ho me kora ntoto ye ho son will be free so na fitra we frasie.
For the exams is being conducted smoothly and successfully. And as we went round, most of the candidates were busily answering the questions. And also, as I said, we have written the exams. We started the theory papers on the 19th of August, and we will complete the exams on the 20th of September 2024. And so far we have written picture making, jewelry, English language 3, and we are currently on social studies. The exams is being run smoothly, it's being conducted smoothly, and we have Ghana Education Service, Ministry of Education, Ghana Police Service, National Security, and also we have the NIB and all other agencies.
We mami a wono so obo adwuma na yeto akase ebo no so asante mantem dwentre ni di mani pipi amanyoko ra bena de antwibo asia ko chema wontumi eno de asem bia to dwa se na no mampani dada His Excellency John Dramani mama ko kan bibi se reset Ghana na no na chema wontumi se ni cheche mu no kire se ne reset no oba reset ne de niam awudro bebre wo ho a wono unu ni se NPP aben ya wo mo ba won be pepa ni nyina dan so de afiri wo no se free SHS de ne be te sentete e wo enframanim edi amama mpani dada mahama obetu ni se hom edi afiri ho odi asami to dwa wo bra wonam asante mantemu yewrewra fiemu door to door na wonom eka NPP amanyoko enwuma panso de akire adehye wo asante mantemu wo mu kokopie mum ewo eye kodie taxi rank bo ho market magazine mass station ana wonom eye campaign
or see is going to reset the Ghana economy. Reset. So what this means is that so computer make us serious. Yeah. I just said never was seen I just said to the education over the dream. Because 2 always never go over. Never would teach us to be allowance. Never would listen to be allowance. Not teachers, no good be about near will satisfy anymore. But so when the Muhammad identity talk about this, it means that I say I'm from that contractor yet to be here because we have to give it to the country. The budgets have to go to parliament for them to prove it. Not that they are not contractor. What is this? Oba
Ora chairman wuntumi enso edie enono na ankobia hina wo enyan apa division central region nana okoban asan otoso mienu edi asembia tudwasa na nanom info munya se to da bia na ban kakra munya enso ewo monsase awodo mu no mfanye mpuntuo na sabie son obi bobo am waja onan a entese wo a odi asem tudwa wo bra wo ya amane ne amamre nso edi amane natena akonwa so enodi asem so edi etu eja yentie na okuban asan
Ghana, communities like this, you can see thousands of them, but people are waiting for government to say, no page community. And yes, sir, we should not wait for government. It will be our you can start from that place. Wait me and make changes at where you are. I did be our was actually wait me and turning into something else. I make good money of it. Say yes, you my concentration is on agriculture. And mostly, if I'm talking, I'm representing basically because my last group, a farming community, so BBI is on agric. And say yes, you can take off agriculture. Say as I see, I did at the end of the year, what I say you can think of crop farming. And you'll be successful. And yet, the Biana, I don't have to Italian phones for a year of a transfer and make Kiska. The little you have here, you can make money out of it.
Yetwa Kasiabono Eso. Chairman Idima Kumasi race course. And I watch them say, Sabre, Wamo, Eshe Protua, and so ase. Baby, a woman, Eloduo, a Buyaqua. Agrek buya kwa santase tano sukofodia ora cha sadu sei ya wono ya assemblyman e wobantama electoral area ora cha sadu sei wono na di ko nanim wo se demonstration chenchenche pa wo mo ye de atia bantama assemblyman munyamfo kwabena bo atia friend trouble se wo tu wonom e de o mafra tena ho o se de di kan bantoma asenso bo ache wo mo bona baso kwan pa wonam so ma kwan e fra nam so enu ti wo mo do mani atone pa won kan sankyere na sambiri ma no kwan a wode eba no wan hwe no omubufu a enye papa owura cha sasamoa
first year to chimpa ya dana sinye su kwan ye baba ye kwan ya ma kama na baba ye kwan ma ye wie no asame ma no ho hanese wo tu ye free ha wo ni power for ye there ba it's a friend trouble idi a me de minim no it's a friend trouble bank ma asame ma wo so wo tu ye free ha na wo de ma bank ma for because ye nya adwuma wa yes ye Ghana for aye to abama apan Ghana wo no nya kuro ba ko so for na gimiga baby bebre santase for kwan so nyina ba be diga no ba for kawa twede kwan so nyina ba be dikese dwa no ba for kawa agreki for nyina ba ha e be for ka santase for nkawe kofobia o mu nyina tetemu nyina ne nyina mu nyina wa it na say hayeye na say na yesi assembly man so ko tuye no de ma bantama for entiase
Kumase no sole ho ne anya mpuntu dwuma ya nsole ye to aba ye sei ye sole da ti de bie mpuntu anwene se pavement so ye toto kokko ukokape miku awu me ne me ba de ne vedie ye nsore kwa ho ene ye wayiwa kase no asi Liberty Conference 31st August eba so den Jubilee Park enyasem keto akora bomoden ase when ye ube ma ho akeka ho owura unyame akwa amahi ya wadubu ache unyame fa ne so si the heat twiro de ha unyina agu krata ba ko so fa kenre ba ko ka ho ojano be so amamo ahini nyina oh glory hallelujah me power show yenkamfo 21st clinic South African tour no so gusuada ya eba so fa number yi na ye booking 0244 915 116 asante ebo Benedict semu for penny sone kasebo isokrojen so ede ema me koso so mo Elizabeth na ono betre fidie na chire sada na akwam si aso a BPC Shadrack ene na pamfo enso gina mu ebo adwuma anopei na na ye wanim ene wa hyegori atempabo apa wabeka ho ama David nso ebo adwuma ohini ni ama kranchada zo so fuma mi premenyi yadam asibiem amache sorry de o mahini ya wadubu ache be ma wiase nyina ache